This is one of the most simple RGB upgrade for your M.2 that enhance the way your computer looks. I also provided a link in my description for the heatsink. Hey guys, in this box is an M.2 RGB heatsink. I'm going to unbox it and install it today. So let's get started. So what you have is the instructions. Okay. Inside the box is the heatsink. Comes with two clips to clip onto your M.2. An adapter for your, actually more like an extension for your cable to your motherboard. And this is thermal pad. So this is a 12 volt that connects to your RGB motherboard. Very simple, small. Right here you have the M.2. I'm just gonna screw it. Comes right off. Unplug it. So the next step is you just take out the thermal pad. Stick it on. Take this one out. Okay. Then you stick on like this. Just like that. And you clip it. And there we go. Just kind of hold this in place. So what I did was I plugged this cable into the RGB 12 volt header on this motherboard. Now all I need to do is just plug this in to my M.2 slot again. Just like that. And screw back into place, like so. This is just to show you guys. Plug my cable back. So once that's plugged in, everything's plugged in, all you need to do is press the power and your RGB should light up, just like so. Pretty neat, huh? And this is very inexpensive. Costs like $15 on Amazon. Well, that's all. So if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe, like, comment below.